Getting back into a school routine after a break can be challenging, but with some proven tricks and tips, you can make the transition smoother. Here are some strategies to help you get back on track. 1. Start early. A few days before school starts, gradually adjust your sleeping and waking times to align with your school schedule. Going to bed and waking up earlier will make the first day of school less of a shock to your system. 2. Create a schedule. Plan out your daily routine, including study time, extracurricular activities, meal times, and relaxation periods. Having a schedule will help you stay organized and ensure you make time for everything you need to do. 3. Use a planner or digital tools. Keep track of assignments, tests, and other important dates using a planner or digital tools like calendar apps. This will help you manage your time effectively and avoid last-minute rushes. 4. Break tasks into smaller chunks. If you have a big project or assignment, break it down into smaller tasks and work on them one at a time. This will make the workload feel more manageable and less overwhelming. 5. Eliminate distractions. Identify the things that distract you while studying or doing homework, and try to minimize them. This may include putting your phone on silent mode, finding a quiet study space, or using website blockers if you get distracted by social media. 6. Set goals. Set realistic short-term and long-term goals for yourself. Having clear objectives will give you a sense of direction and motivation to stay on track with your studies and other activities. 7. Prioritize self-care. Don't forget to take care of yourself physically and mentally. Make time for exercise, relaxation, and hobbies you enjoy. When you take care of your well-being, you'll be better equipped to handle the challenges of school. 8. Stay organized. Keep your school materials and study area neat and organized. This will save you time and reduce stress when you need to find something quickly. 9. Stay positive. Stay positive and maintain a growth mindset. If you face challenges, view them as opportunities to learn and grow rather than as failures. 10. Ask for help. If you find yourself struggling with a particular subject or aspect of school, don't hesitate to ask for help. Teachers, peers, and family members are often willing to provide support and guidance. 11. Review and revise. Regularly review and revise your class notes and study material. This will help reinforce your learning and make it easier to recall information during exams. 12. Reward yourself. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small. Treat yourself to something you enjoy after completing a challenging task or meeting a goal. Remember, it's normal to take some time to adjust to a new routine. Be patient with yourself and keep trying these strategies until you find what works best for you. With persistence and dedication, you'll soon be back on track and ready to excel in your studies. Good luck!